Magandang hapon po ng May 27, 2025 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 27, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, May 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 27, 2025, Tuesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, May 27, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for May 27, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.